Ever found yourself staring at a mountain of paperwork, desperately searching for that elusive Koho bank statement? You're not alone. In today's digital age, paper statements are becoming a thing of the past. So, let's dive into how you can effortlessly download your Koho bank statement right from the comfort of your couch. We'll walk through the steps, one by one, so even if you're a tech newbie, you'll be a pro in no time. But before we get started, let's talk about why downloading your bank statement is important. It's more than just a piece of paper, it's a financial snapshot. Think of it as a record keeper of your spending habits, income, and overall financial health. So, whether you're tracking expenses, filing taxes, or simply want to stay on top of your finances, knowing how to download your Koho bank statement is a must. Alright, let's get down to business. The first thing you'll need is your Koho app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Trust me, outdated apps can be a real pain. Once you've got the app open, look for the profile icon. It's usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on that little profile picture, and you'll be greeted with a world of options. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for something that says monthly statements or something similar. It might be tucked away in a settings menu or directly on your main screen. Don't worry if you can't find it right away. Just take a deep breath and explore the options. You'll find it. Once you've located the monthly statements section, you'll be presented with a list of available statements. Choose the month you need and get ready to download. You'll typically have the option to download your statement as a PDF or CSV file. PDF is great for viewing and printing, while CSV is perfect for crunching numbers in spreadsheets. Choose the format that suits your needs best. Once you've selected your format, hit that download button and let the magic happen. Your statement will be saved to your device, ready for you to access whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Koho bank statement. It's as easy as that. No more hunting for paper statements, no more waiting for them to arrive in the mail. With just a few taps on your phone, you have complete control over your financial information. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I need a statement for a specific date range? Unfortunately, Koho doesn't offer this feature just yet. But hey, who knows? Maybe they'll add it in a future update. For now, you'll have to make do with monthly statements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.